Hi, I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Now, of course, I'm not naked, but I'm bringing to you ideas how to cook naked in your kitchen, which means using food in its most natural form. So here we're going to make a raspberry horseradish dipping sauce that you can use for a whole mess of things. But we're going to start with some frozen raspberries. Because raspberries are not always available in season, and when they are, they don't always look good and they don't last very long. So I like to keep frozen in my freezer so I can get them when I need them. Pitted dates, some already prepared mustard, and a jar of already prepared horseradish sauce, and a little bit of water to thin it out. We're going to place all of these simply into the blender, and we're going to make our sauce. So here we have 2 cups of frozen raspberries, dumping in to the blender, half a cup of pitted dates, prepared mustard, and our horseradish sauce, some 1/4 cup of water. And we'll keep adding water depending on what consistency we want our sauce to be. So let's put the mixer on. Gonna add a little bit more water. This is a gorgeous color. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. So here's the deal about this raspberry horseradish sauce. I can't say horseradish. I'm having a hard time. When I was in the store looking for it, I couldn't kind of ask the guy about it either. Okay, so here's the thing about it. You can use more or less of the horseradish depending on your taste buds. This right now is pretty hot. Of course, I tasted it and it is a little bit hot and spicy, but what you can do with this is put it next to grilled shrimp, grilled chicken. Really, really would make a nice meal. A nice grilled roasted pork or whatever would really be a nice side to that. I am Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now, and I'm going to pour my sauce on my shrimp.